Ever wish you could photograph a landscape that exists only in your wildest dreams? Today, we're diving into how landscape photographers can leverage the power of Midjourney, an AI image generator, to visualize the impossible and push the boundaries of our art. First, you'll need a Discord account and a Midjourney subscription. Once you have both, join the Midjourney server, find a newbie channel, and get ready to start prompting. To begin, type /imagine in the text box. This activates the Midjourney bot. Next comes the magic, the prompt itself. Think of it as giving the AI a detailed set of instructions. Be as specific as possible. Include keywords relating to composition, lighting, weather, and the type of landscape you envision. For example, you could type /imagine Scandinavian fjord, golden hour, dramatic lighting, long exposure, ethereal mood. Midjourney will then generate for variations based on your prompt. Review these carefully. Underneath the grid are buttons labeled U1, U2, U3, U4 and V1, V2, V3, V for the U buttons. Upscale your selected image to create a larger, more detailed file. The V buttons create variations of the selected image. If you like one of the variations, click the corresponding U button. Midjourney will then upscale that image. If you like the general idea of one of the images, but want to explore different interpretations, click the corresponding V button. This will generate for new variations based on the selected image. Keep refining your prompts and exploring variations until you achieve your desired result. Remember, Midjourney is a tool to inspire and visualize. Use it to conceptualize new locations, experiment with different lighting scenarios, and ultimately enhance your real-world landscape photography. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start crafting breathtaking landscapes that defy the limits of reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI photography tips and tricks.